Is it time to buy or sell Navitas Semiconductor stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Navitas Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Navitas Semiconductor as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.77. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, which indicates that further decreases are likely. The current 3-month trend points towards a potential decline of approximately 11% over the next 3 months, with a possible range of returns between -30% and 14%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our analysis for the next 12 months suggests a projected change of over 100%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from around 10% to more than 200% in the coming year. This would imply a future price ranging from approximately $7.14 to $19.75. Our latest daily update for Navitas Semiconductor includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Navitas Semiconductor Corporation stock price on Wednesday, moving between $5.83 and $6.54. The Navitas Semiconductor Corporation stock price gained 9.68% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 17th of September 2025, rising from $5.89 to $6.46. During this day, the stock fluctuated 12.18%, with a low of $5.83 and a high of $6.54. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 12.74% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. With a total of 14 million more shares traded than the day before, in total, 28 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $179,054,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $9.48, while the lowest price was $1.52. Currently, the price is 31.86%, or $3.02, below the 52-week high, and 70.89%, or $15.73, below the all-time high, which occurred on November 15, 2021, when the price reached $22.19. Navitas Semiconductor specializes in designing gallium nitride and silicon carbide power chips, and this year has been marked by significant volatility for the company. A partnership formed in May with NVIDIA to supply more power-efficient chips for next-generation data centers led to a substantial rally in the stock. The company is specifically targeting artificial intelligence data centers and the industry's shift toward 800-volt power architectures. This momentum, along with a change in leadership as Chris Alexandre took over as CEO in early September, has positively influenced sentiment around the company. However, the fundamentals present a mixed picture. The stock experienced a sharp increase in 2025 following a challenging multi-year decline. Yet revenue has declined, losses are increasing, and analysts have recently downgraded their outlook on the stock. In the short term, the connection with NVIDIA, positioning within the artificial intelligence sector, and the new CEO may drive the share price higher in response to positive news or incremental design wins. Conversely, any disappointing quarterly results, guidance, or further downgrades could lead to a rapid decline in the share price due to low investor confidence. Looking at the long term, achieving sustainable growth will depend on converting partnerships into recurring revenue, scaling production of gallium nitride and silicon carbide, and improving profit margins. Failure to accomplish these goals would keep the risk of downturns elevated, despite the significant addressable market. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 18th of August, 2025, it was reported that CJS Securities assigned NVTS a market perform grade and indicated a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025, it was reported that Craig-Hallum gave NVTS a hold grade along with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025, it was also reported that Needham assigned NVTS a buy grade and recommended a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank gave NVTS a hold grade and indicated a downgrade action. On Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVTS an underweight grade and suggested a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Navitas Semiconductor stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for Navitas Semiconductor. The chart presents mostly positive signals today. The Navitas Semiconductor Corporation stock indicates buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During potential downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $6.02 and $6.43. A decline below either of these points will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, September 4, 2025, and the stock has since appreciated by 16.61%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 81 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 82 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 79 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Navitas Semiconductor. Navitas Semiconductor Corporation has established support from accumulated volume at $6.43. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock demonstrates average daily movement accompanied by a healthy trading volume, leading to a medium risk assessment. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by 71 cents, or 12.18%, between its high and low points. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.75%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Navitas Semiconductor, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 3rd of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -5 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Navitas Semiconductor. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Navitas Semiconductor is at $6.61. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Navitas Semiconductor faces its first support level at $6.43. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Navitas Semiconductor from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Brian Long, who bought and sold 2,205,596 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 28.697. In total, insiders purchased 20,896,462 shares and sold 39,291,136 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.21, reflecting a decrease of 3.82%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 9 days ago. Is Navitas Semiconductor stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are optimistic. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we believe that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, changing from a sell to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 18th of September, we anticipate that Navitas Semiconductor will open lower by approximately 183 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $6.28. We remind you that trading involves a higher risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.